some fresh air in this nice Roblox camping. Yeah. Are you ready for this?
Oh no. I know what happened.
Huh? Oh well. Okay then. Swing. Hey man, sprint. Sprinty. Is there any tree I can cut down? Oh yeah, right there.
No, I need some of my good stuff.
Oh my god. I found wood.
Good.
Okay. Is that how I put it? There we go. Alright, how many do we need? 100 of them. Only 100. Do we need a stick?
Don't get sticks, you need logs.
I'll put it down. There we go. That's a good stick. There we go. You're making a pretty good team of getting logs and Hunter! Look!
What? Oh wow, oh no.
I'm kidding.
You try it, I will.
Get the... Whoa.
Pick up wood.
Can you not, like, stop cussing? It's the only thing that we can't do in this game.
Wow, are you filming?
Yeah, I am. Okay, sorry guys. Oh, sorry.
The fiery twerps, and the map has grown bigger. Oh, get back in here.
Huh? Yep, stay. What? Why?
Just stay in here.
Okay, then.
Do not step out of this area.
Okay.
Unless you're die. Okay, no, bro. Like, look at my finger. Ready?
Yeah.
He's coming. Oh, God. Oh,
But we can't get out there. It's way too dangerous. Like, it's dark. Why is it dark?
Because fire's gonna go out. Go get wood.
It's dark out and I can't even
I don't care. I will go out with you. Oh my. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh yeah, I'm right.
Hurry, get it.
That's this is.
I'm staying in.
This guy's the main terrorism. That's the Wendigo.
The what?
Wendigo.
I don't want to get it. Why do I have to get it? Where's the...
Go get the wood, I'll go.
Okay. No, I don't want to die. Okay. I'll go.
Come on.
Okay, good. Charge! Go. No, get some wood right the frick now. Oh my god. He is coming, right? He's coming,
pick
right?
It up. No.
Ow!
Let's go get more wood.
Okay.
This game's not even that scary. It's daytime.
Oh, phew. Alright.
I just hit a button. I feel bad.
You did? Well, we kind of need food, but...
No.
Okay. What if we starve to death? You know what? No, I'm not gonna say it again. What's in here? Hey, Hunter! I found a house.
I don't have any stuff in here.
I found a house. I found someone.
What?
Look.
Don't trust him. I don't trust
Okay.
him. We can just eat carrots.
Oh. Where'd you find it?
They're in the ground. Look. See?
I mean, we could eat that. Let me save some for me. There's one.
They're all over the place. It's the forest.
More.
I really don't want to do this.
No, what?
We need food. We need food.
Okay, you know what? Get the axe. I'll kill some bunnies. I'm sorry, but I'll get some bunnies.
Wait.
Where's the bunny?
Oh, nice.
I found this.
So good. You know, what if we just don't go out and look for the pigs? I mean, it's not our fault that they got lost in the woods and probably are going to die.
Oh, well, this phone's about to die. Hang on. Ah!
Oh my gosh, that was such a good cooked morsel. I need a place to sit.
You okay? Is it getting nighttime?
And go out and get some wood. Stay out until morning.
What do you mean till morning?
We have to go look for the missing pigs.
Why me?
We.
Oh, I thought you meant me. Sorry. Sorry.
You're too scared.
I am.
It's only day 2. We've been in this forest 1 day and 1 night.
Alright, found some log.
Bring the fire over. I mean, not fire, the log. Right?
Yeah, we know. Yeah,
It's okay.
It's okay, we could just, you know.
There's carrots for a reason.
Or, oh no! Okay, dang it. I'm going back in.
I have a log I still have to get.
Well, I'm staying here, so I mean, you can get it. Where are you? Where? Dude, was that you?
What?
Nothing.
No, what kind?
Nothing.
I have a log and stuff.
No, I had to get wood.
No, I'll just get some fat. Very impossible. No. Then why do I have it?
Get the no. Okay, need some carrots so I can eat. It's like creepy, yeah? It's creepy. It's creepy. 99 nights! Okay?
It's not that many.
Oh, really? I'm just gonna scream. Wow, like is it coming?
Oh, it's the morning.
We have to find the missing kids. What if they get lost? So you just, I don't know. Yeah. Can I? Wait. Hunter, look.
Wait, I found them.
Huh? Where is it? Where?
Coin stack, I got money. And some coal.
Is it in here?
Fire source.
Coal? Oh, the frick. You know what? Never mind. Aren't you gonna go to your grandparents later? Oh, flashlight. No batteries.
Dino Kids. Oh, it's nothing I do.
Can you guys read this? You guys can pause the video if you want.
Oh, that's not fun.
What is it?
Oh, a wolves?
Can I pet him?
No, they want to kill us.
What's in here?
Come up here.
I found fairy. I could cipher it.
Oh god, no, I'm dead.
Yeah, you better be dead.
I'm dead.
Ooh, why are you doing?
Want some berries? I'm just not gonna wait for them.
Oh, never mind. I tried to pet the dog. I tried to pet the weird wolf thing.
Why would you?
I don't know.
It's a wolf. It wants to eat you.
Sorry.
Can I burn sheep, though? No. Why do I think I'm afraid? It's been 3 days. We're trapped in the forest. Oh crap! Ooh crap! Ooh! I'm staying here. Somewhere deep in the forest. That's it?
What was
Somewhere deep in
that?
the forest. That's it? All we get.
So, what was that about?
I'm burning alive!
Get out of there, then.
No, I'm kidding. I'm fine.
What was that? Ah!
Don't do that to me. What? Hey, Paul, come here real quick.
You're right the frick down. You know what? Fuck it. Wait, you just cuss. Oh no, I did. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Trying to really. Fishy. Day 4. How many nights are we gonna survive?
We have to survive 99. That's how long people usually take to find this kid. Find all 4.
Find all 4?
But why do we have to find them? It's not our problem that they find us.
Yeah, it's not our problem.
Just go look for Dino Kid and let me know if you find him.
I think he's at the carton. Getting carton.
Look, our fire's getting up there, and Bunny Rabbit, come here.
I just noticed something. Look, guys, look.
No, I need to.
Guys, look at this.
No, it's a wolf. It's a wolf. Please stay away. Please stay away. Please stay away. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die of hunger. I'm gonna die of hunger.
Oh, that was dark. Caring kid.
Dude, get me food right now. Get me food right now.
Squid kid. call it Little Kid. We need to find Dino Kid. So he's in the forest. Monster came up, and monster behind him. He got him. Then he's locked up.
I'm hungry.
Guys, if you want to see that again, I'm gonna do it right now. Like, let's see this again. So he's in the forest. Monster's there. Monster came up. He got the kid. And then Hunter?
What?
I think I know what this kid is.
I think I do too.
See this? Look. Look. Alright, so here's the backstory. Alright, he's in the forest. Monster behind him.
Monster took him.
And then in there. So we have to find the one that has the lock.
The gate.
The
I know
gate.
Where it is. I know where it is.
Oh, really? Show me.
Hold on. Wait.
You got any food? I can't do it. I can't. It's so funny.
I gotta leave it at the fishing rod.
Get fish.
Return to home base. We're going to get attacked.
Wait, what?
Return to home base.
Really? Carrots? Like, now?
I don't even know where home base is.
You're dead, man. We are so dead.
Home base. No. No. The monster.
Where? Ah!